Alright guys, welcome back to my desk studio. This is Unbox and Chill. We've got an unboxing today, okay? Um, I did receive a package from WatchGang.com. We're going to take a look at it here. We're going to see what it's about. But first, as I get my desk ready, as usual, I want to remind you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are growing a channel here. We're also growing a community. We just crossed over 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you're listening, you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to start doing some giveaways here. And then also be sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, okay? So let's get into the unboxing, okay? Just to remind you guys, this is from WatchGang.com. WatchGang.com is a monthly subscription service, okay? It's a blind subscription, okay? So essentially every month they'll send you a watch. There's 3 tiers, okay? There's a kind of a basic tier for $50. It's just kind of a basic watch. There's a middle tier that is $99, and then there's a top tier that is $299. It's their platinum level for $299, okay? So we're going to take a look at it, a platinum level watch here. Okay, so this watch was $299. It was sent out under the platinum tier of WatchGang.com, and we're gonna see what that gets you. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, let's slide the box in. So this is what we got. Okay, and this says, as we'll bring it in here, Archon. I'm not entirely sure. But let's see here. So that's the logo. It's got a little crown here. Let's open her up, okay? So it looks like I guess that's on with a magnet, I believe. That's interesting. Let's see here. So let's get the paperwork out real quick. So we've got the warranty information. International guarantee from the Archon, or at least that's how I'm assuming it said. So that's that. Okay, not really anything else, just a warranty card here. So pretty interesting box. We've got a warranty card. Let's get down to the watch here. Let's take that out. And I will say this box is pretty heavy. This is a pretty heavy duty box that they sent it in. Even this is pretty heavy. Weighted pretty well here. So this is decent watch box build quality. Oh, excuse me. Before we get into the watch here, the new watch, I'll show you. We'll do a wristwatch check. I forgot to do that. This is a deep blue. This is the Juggernaut. Nice blue Juggernaut with mother of pearl dial here. On a shark mesh band. So that's what I'm wearing today. Okay, let's get into the current watch at hand here. So this is the Archon, and as you can see, it's got a nice green dial, kind of a sand texture on the dial going on there. And then you can also see it has if you look at the dial here, it has small seconds. So you can see the second hand down there. You can see it moving. This is an automatic watch, so it does have a nice sweep to it. I don't know if I necessarily care for it being in that the small seconds here. I think I would prefer if it were bigger. I think it would just look better, but it doesn't look terrible. It's just I think I would prefer if it were just on the regular dial and there wasn't a small seconds dial. But let's see here. Overall, the watch seems to have good build quality here. Let's take a look at this clasp here. No, this doesn't feel, I mean, this is decent quality. This doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. We've got the Archon logo here, as you can see, etched in. Let's close that up. Let's see, we're still mummy wrapped, so we still got the plastic on it. And then we've got the movement beating away there. As you can see, it's got an exhibition case back, so you can see everything happening in the back here. But overall, like I said, not a terrible looking piece. It's definitely weighted pretty well. Let me see here. So we've got some high polish, and then also a brushed. So high polish down the middle, and then some brushed down the sides here. Like I said, not a bad looking watch at all. And I actually currently don't own any green watches, so yeah, nice piece. Let's try it on. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Actually, let's do that, and then we'll check out the website, of course. But yeah, this is a platinum level, guys. This is a $2.99 watch from Watch Gang. We will check out the movement. We'll see what the what kind of movement is it running. Whether it's Japanese or Swiss or whatever. We'll take a look at it here. So let's take the okay. So it's on wrist. Like I said, it's not adjusted, but it is on wrist. I probably will need to take out, I will say, at least one link, and then maybe just do a micro adjustment here, just because my wrists are pretty big. So we'll bring that in. So you can see I just took the plastic off the dial. So that's what we're working with here. Like I said, kind of a plain Jane dial, really. Not a whole lot going on, which is fine. But I think my only thing is that I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the small seconds. Like I said, you can see the sweep on the small seconds, but I think I just prefer, if it were just on the main dial here. But I'm definitely willing to try it out and see how that goes. Let's see here. So this is the, let's see, we'll turn that around here. We'll turn around. Okay. This is this is very tactile. This feels really good. Yeah, this feels really good in the hand when you do it. So nice tactile there, and it feels good, Let's see here. Overall, because I will say, I believe the watch is probably about 45 millimeters, 45, 44. We'll check it out. You definitely want to be a bigger guy, I think, to kind of pull this one off here. You want to be let me pull it down a little bit. You want to be a kind of a larger gentleman to pull this off. And then, of course, it does have a screw down crown, because this is a diver here, guys. But that's it there. Like I said, just kind of a very basic piece. I feel like the dial and the styling is just very subdued here. It's really a piece you're gonna blend in with. It doesn't stand out at all. I unboxed, which I'll leave in the description, the Neeson's Lava 2. It's such a flashy watch. The dial is crazy, and you've got gold indices and gold hands on a stainless watch. It's so much happening. There's so much going on. Kind of a checker pattern on the dial. I mean, it's such an out there watch. That, like I said, when I wore it under my original unboxing, I wore it a couple days, and, I had 3 different people say, man, that's a nice piece. This one here, I feel like people will think it's a nice watch, but it's very laid back. This is definitely I'm trying to blend in. I'm not doing too much. I'm not trying to stand out as much kind of a piece. Still a nice, capable, comparable piece. Just, like I said, just definitely one where you're trying to blend in more versus stand out. Is kind of how this watch goes. So let's take a look at the website real quick here, and we'll see the specs actually. So here it is here. There it is. So this is the website. This is Archon. That's, if I'm even saying it right. I'm assuming it's not Archon. I'm assuming it's Archon. But this is the watch here, and this is in the color that we have it in. Let's see here. So we'll scroll down. So you can see they've got some glamour shots. Looks like this guy has it on over a wetsuit. I don't know. Let's see here. Technical specs. Okay, so it looks like we're looking at a 44 millimeters. Okay, so that's the dimensions. We'll check out the features here. So we've got the 3-hand with the sub-seconds. Okay. So you see you've got Super Luminova. You've got a what looks like a year warranty. Let's check out the movement here. So it looks like we do have a Miyota movement. So it's a Miyota automatic movement. So it's not some off-brand movement, like some cheap Chinese movement or something like that. But like I said, just kind of a basic movement they put in these micro brands. 316L stainless steel, dome sapphire crystal. So it is sapphire crystal, it's not a mineral crystal. And then it does come in these colors. You've got a black, you've got a blue, you've got what looks like a gray here. Oh, that one's actually kind of nice. See, that adds a little bit more pizzazz to it. That's not a bad looking one right there. The kind of a Pepsi situation. But like I said, not a bad looking piece overall. These are all the other colors that it comes in. And I think that's it. That's the end of the website. So, as I said, guys, this is the $2.99 tier from Watch Gang. This is the platinum tier, okay? And this is the Archon. like I said, not a bad watch. Not a bad watch at all. Nice box that it came in. Just kind of a basic level watch here, but definitely one you can put on and just kind of blend in, you know? I'd like to know what you guys think of this one, actually. I'm actually very curious. If you guys just go ahead and in the comment section down below, just let me know what you think. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Okay. Do you think it was worth the price? You know, I'm just curious. But again, this is the Archon. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching. As I said at the beginning, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping in. This has been Unbox and Chill.